अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर फ्रेंड, कैसे हैं आप? उम्मीद है सब ठीक ठाक खैर ऑफिस से होंगे। आज मैं जनरल नॉलेज के आपके साथ 100 MCQs शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। उम्मीद है कि आप सबको अच्छे लगे होंगे। द यूनाइटेड नेशन वाज फाउंडेड ऑन 24 October 1945. Which country from the following is not the member of UNO? UNO is stand for United Nations of Organization. It is Vatican City. The International Court of Justice is located in The Hague. There are dash member of SARC 8. There are 8 member of SARC. Organization of Islamic Cooperation OIC has dash official language 3 official languages. There are dash non-permanent member the Security Council 10. The currency of Indonesia is rupiah. The currency of Indonesia is rupiah. The D8 is an organization of 8 dash countries, developing countries. The European Union's working capital is Brussels. The headquarters of NATO is located in Brussels. The motto of UN is "It's your world." The world's highest mountain is in Nepal. The headquarters of Red Cross is in Geneva. World Trade Organization was established in 1995. The North Atlantic Treaty NATO was signed in 1949. Which country on the map of world appears as Langshu? Italy. Which from of the following country is not member of D8? India. India is not a member of D8. The largest ocean of the world is Pacific. OIC changed its name from Organization of the Islamic Conference to Organization of Islamic Cooperation in 2011. The most powerful organ of United Nations is Security Council. The headquarters of Greenpeace International is located in Amsterdam. 3 May is observed International Day as a Press Freedom Day. 3 May is Press Freedom Day. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. Suez Canal is between Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. The Permanent Security SARC is located in Kathmandu, Nepal. Which from the following countries not a member of European Union? Norway. In which year did man step out on the moon? 1969. The currency of Israel is shekel. The largest democratic country in the world is India. The permanent secretary of OIC is located in Jeddah. The highest part of the earth is Mount Everest. The lowest part of earth is Dead Sea. The deepest part of the earth is Mariana Trench. The headquarters of Amnesty International is in London. The headquarters of Transparency International is in Berlin. The biggest island in the world is Greenland. 22 April is observed International Day as Earth Day. Yellow Sea lies between China and Korea. The smallest sea of the world is Bentalic Sea. World's famous barrage Golden Gate is in San Francisco. Which country is called Land of Thousand Islands? Indonesia. Indonesia is an archipelago comparing approximately islands in 17,500. Which country is called the land of golden fiber? Bangladesh. Which country is called the land of thousand lakes? Finland. Vienna is the capital of Austria. The capital of Czech Republic is Prague. AFP is the news agency of France. ANTRA is the news agency of Indonesia. Emirates is an airline of UAE. Qantas is an airline of Australia. The world's longest bridge, Denai Konshan Grand Bridge, is in China. The world's longest bridge over water, Lake Pontchartrain Causeway, is in United States. What was what was the nationality of Alfred Nobel? Swedish. The first Nobel Prize was awarded in 1901. Sana is the news agency of Syria. Sabah is the news agency of Yemen. KLM is airline of Netherlands. Etihad Airways is an airline of United Arab Emirates. The Earth's surface is divided into dash countries, 7 countries. The largest continent by area of the world is Asia. The smallest continent by area of the world is Australia. The Earth's oceanic water is divided into 5 oceans. The Earth's largest ocean is Pacific. The Earth's smallest ocean is Arctic. The world's largest lake is Lake Superior. The hottest desert of the world is Sahara Desert. The first Secretary General of United Nations was Truglia. World War I began in 1914. World War I was ended in 1918. The World War II was began 1939. The World War II was ended in 1945. The atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Hiroshima on 6 August 1945. The atomic bomb was dropped on the city of Nagasaki on 9 August 1945. NATO is an military airline. NATO is a military airline. The oldest news agency in the world is AFP. The Suez Canal is in Egypt. The Delaware River is in United States. The main structure work of the Eiffel Tower was completed in 1889. The highest of Eiffel Tower is dash feet 1063 feet. Reuters is the news agency of United Kingdom. Wafa is the news agency of Palestine. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. The currency of Qatar is Riyal. Organization of Islamic Cooperation OIC was founded on 25 September 1969. The OIC was founded in Morocco. The International Monetary Fund IMF was founded on 27 December 1945. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA was formed in 1958. 8 March observed International Day as a Women's Day. 22 March is observed International Day as a World Water Day. What is the capital of Vietnam? Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam. Hitler Party, which came into power in 1933, is known as Nazi Party. For which of the following discipline is Nobel Prize awarded? All of the physics, physiology, literature, all of the. Grampni Sanctuary is located at Dolphi, Assam. The highest of all 4 minars of Badshai Mosque are 177 feet. FFSC stands for Film Financing Cooperation. The availability of cash and other cash like marketable instructions that are useful in purchase and investment, and the commission known as liquidity. The largest peninsula in the world is Arabia. Which SAARC member country has largest literature rate? Sri Lanka. Golf player Vijay Singh belongs to which country? Fiji. The longest border in the world between two countries, USA and Canada. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video and also subscribe the channel. For more videos, please stay tuned with us, Kabul Master. Thank you very much.